Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal. In this video, let's have a look on the magic texture of the Blender software. Right now, I've got a simple scene to which I've assigned principled BSDF shader. I'll bring up the magic texture by pressing Shift A and then choose the texture menu, and from there, choose the magic texture. Magic texture gives a psychedelic pattern. I just connect the color output to the base color to visualize the texture on the model. I've got three different attributes here. To start with, let's have a look on the scale pattern. Scale generally controls the size of the texture. Smaller number gives you a bigger texture size, whereas I increase the scale value, it repeats the texture and makes it look more small. I put a value of 5 and then just have a look on the depth. So depth value of 1, depth value of 2, depth value of 3 keeps on giving me different types of patterns on the model. Let me change the distortion value. The distortion value is less. The pattern doesn't distort. It looks like straight lines. As I keep on increasing the distortion value, I could see more of the pattern revealing itself. Now you could also have a look on the depth. When the distortion value is pretty higher, it looks more like chrome-like patterns or ripple-like patterns. You can also connect a node between that. I'll be choosing a node called vector math node, and then I'm going to connect that node between it. I'll choose the multiply here. I'm going to multiply the texture with numbers. Now I could see there are two inputs, vector 1 and vector 2. So in vector 1, I connected the magic texture, and it is connected to the three channels, RGB or red, green and blue. So here if I put a value of 1, 1 and 1, it shows off the same texture like what we have directly connected with the magic texture to the base color. So if I switch off the green channel and the blue channel, you should be able to see the red channel here. If I choose the green channel, this is how the green channel looks like. If I see the blue channel, this is how the blue channel looks like. Now you can start exploring the values here, as you could see in depth 1, depth 2, depth 3, depth 4. The blue channel is affected in depth 3 and 4, but in 2 it's not really affecting anything. Now if I choose the depth 1, the red channel is affected. Okay, depth 2, it's getting distorted, right? Now let me choose the green channel. Now depth 1, depth 2, depth 3, depth 4, depth 5. So at the 5 number, I could see some change in the green channel. So I'm not saying about, okay, you can extract the channel and try to do something else, but try to explore channel wise about this psychedelic texture and see where this can lead. So I'm just trying to show you the channel separation and then see how these depths are working. As you could see in depth 1, only one channel got distorted. In depth 2, second channel got distorted. And then when I went for higher value, the three channels also got distorted. And our distortion amount can also be clearly visualized here channel wise. So the red channel distortion, the green channel distortion, and the blue channel distortion. Okay, so the more distortion you do, the columns or the pattern what you're getting, linear pattern, is getting distorted just like some chrome metal. Okay, so you can use it for some crazy patterns. However, I could really correlate with any real-time texture or something like greasy oil pattern, something like that, oil patterns on the water. So I'm getting something close to that in general, but if not, it's hard to apply in most of the realistic textures. You can use this maybe in reflections mostly, especially as I told, something like iridescent textures what we have on water. Okay, so explore more about this, and if you got any ideas to share about this texture, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to explore more about this from your point of view as well. If you got any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section, and hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.